Let's see now. He needs to play. Oh, it's a perfectly in the Polokwane City get the breakthrough that they so richly deserve. It's Nikani, the skipper, who applied the touch. And Polokwane City have thrown the cat amongst the pigeons here.
With about, 8 minutes or so remaining.
Bona Molakalezi. You saw the Chiefs right in there, and now what?
Exactly.
And now what? We spoke about it. Mangoba Mnoti spoke about it. Polokwane City are a problem side for Mamelodi Sundowns. Now Bulelani Nikani has given them possibilities here.
As you would know, and I'm sure in many different organizations, if it
has in set pieces, but you defend like that, you're not on your toes, and a ball that low played in, and it just evades everyone. You can see it evades everyone, and then it gets to Nikani, who's just in the middle of some bodies there. He should have been taken care of much better there. But in the way the game went, you were expecting that something like that to happen, and you didn't expect Sundowns to actually come back.
Yeah. But although they tried, and trying to make those changes as well, introduce, a sniper in there. But